Look at me, I'm 23, beautiful, a sight to see tonight. A little dress to draw the press, and I'll be leaving all the rest behind. Well, be pleased, girl, if this is what you wanted. The whole world is watching you take the stage. What will you say? Am I lovely, and do you want me? 'Cause I am hungry for something that will make me real. Can you see me, and do you love me? 'Cause I am desperate for searching for something real. Imagine time will not forget my sacrifice, and numb the ache and decorate my emptiness, stand naked in the light. Yeah. Well, be pleased, world, if this is what you wanted. This young girl is everything that you've made. What will she say? Cause I am hungry for something that will make me real.